Everyone, is your Android battery draining too fast? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you the latest 2025 fix that actually works for any Android phone. Let's get started. Check battery usage. First, open settings and you have to find out battery and device care. And tap on battery and scroll a bit and you can see battery uses and tap on view details, and here you will see which apps are consuming the most power. If any app uses too many, tap it and you can choose restrict mode. Background uses limits, you can enable it, and you can see photo sleep and photo deep sleeps, and you can customize it. Second step, turn off unused features. Now go back to settings and here you have to open connections and you have to turn off Wi-Fi and turn off Bluetooth and turn off NFC and contactless payments, and you can also turn off mobile hotspots when not in use. These small steps can save a lot of battery in your Android phone. Now I will go back to the second steps. In these steps, optimize your phone. To optimize your phone, again you have to go to your phone settings and again find out battery and device care, and here you have to tap on optimize now, and this clears background apps and keeps your phone smooth. Now I'll tap on done. It's a cool feature of your Android phone. Now I will go back to the next steps. In these steps, you can enable battery saver mode. It will save your battery a lot. Swipe down and here you can see power saving. I will tap on it and it can customize. You can also customize it from here, and here again I swipe down and find out always on display. It's enabled. You have to disable it, and you can use lower brightness mode and limit your CPU speed, and it saves your battery a lot. Now I will share extra tips with you. Extra tips: swipe down and here find out dark mode and use dark mode. It will save your battery life in your Android phone. Keep your phone updated and do not charge your phone overnight, and restart your phone and once every few days, and it saves your battery a lot. So viewers, that's it. This 2025 battery fixes work on all Android phones. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Thank you.